How to auto add free gifts on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can auto add free gifts on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over, log into your Shopify account, and once you do so, you're gonna create your store. So you'll be able to see all of your stores over here, and then you're gonna click on the specific store in which you wish to add the functionality of auto add gifts. So once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're gonna complete the tasks in order to add your product, design your store, customize your domain, name your store, review your shipping rates, place a test order. If your Shopify store is already working and it's in the market, then you wouldn't need to do this stuff. It would be already customized and you would be able to run them. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to Shopify App Store and you're going to search for Monk Free Gift plus BOGO plus Cart Upsell. So it is built exclusively for Shopify, and using this you can get unified free gifts with purchase. Basically the people who buy from your store will get them, plus BOGO plus upsell cross-sell app to enhance AOV and conversion rates. So over here there is pricing. The one is growth one for $30 per month. It is for stores doing 0 to 500 online store orders per month. It has unlimited access to all features, including 7-day free trial. Then we have Growth 2 for $80 per month for stores doing 501 till 1,000 online stores orders per month. It has unlimited access to all features for 7-day free trial. Then we have Growth 3 for $170 per month for stores doing 3,000 online stores orders per month. It has unlimited access to all features and includes 7-day free trial. Then we have Growth 4 for $290 per month. It is for stores doing 3,000 plus online store orders per month, and it has unlimited access to all features, including 7-day free trial. You can check the overall rating of Monk Free is really good. So what you need to do is simply click on View Demo Store and you will be redirected to an interface like this. From here, you can live chat with the demo store in order to, get your answers. So here we have help docs such as, frequently asked questions. So you can see that. And over here we have the feature list. So basically Monk Free contains free gift with purchase. You can offer customers gifts with their purchase based on specific condition and rules. It has a tiered progress bar, display a progress bar that tracks orders value or item quantity. And then we have upsell or cross-sell. You can encourage customers to add more items to their cart with targeted upsells, such as you'll get this much of free shipping if you'll get completely free shipping if you order this much of products in the cart. And then we have bundles and quantity discounts, boost average order value AOV by encouraging customers to multiple buy products or purchase. Then we have subscription upgrade. It nudges customers to upgrade from a one-time purchase to a subscription at cart or checkout. Then we have product upgrade. It displays a pop-up on add to cart button click that prompts customers to upgrade to a superior product compared to the one they already have in cart. And then we have shipping protection. It displays a widget in your cart or checkout to let your buyers ensure or add extra protection to their shipment for additional cost. So you can learn more about each if you want from here. And then you're going to head over to your store, and here you're going to click on Add Apps at the left side. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So what you're going to do is simply click on Get More Recommendations in Shopify App Store, and you will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. So over here, you're going to search for Monk, and this is basically Monk. So you're going to click on Install. And then you will be redirected to the admin Shopify page where you gotta verify it. You're gonna simply click on install. You can, just verify and see what this app really needs access to, and then click on install. So once you do so, just wait for it to get installed completely. So the installation will take hardly 2 to 3 seconds, and once it's done, you'll be able to see the dashboards. So here you can see the offer overview. We have gifts and shipping, checkout customizations. It is for Shopify Plus only. Then we have cross-sell and product groups. We have shipping protection and subscription, and there is guide for app setup. Like you can activate free trial, you can view details over here. So for example, if you want to set up gifts, etc., so you can explore free gift offer templates. We have custom build your gift order. order goals for free shipping, discount, and gift. Like for example, if a person adds to cart, like if they have added to cart till $100 worth items, then they will get that gift. And then we have stack gifts for different value cards, and then we have stack gifts for multiple items bought. If they're buying 2 items, they'll get this much of gifts, and if they're buying 3 items, they'll get this specific gift, or 4. So that really depends. Buy X, get a free gift. Like if you buy a specific shirt or a specific offer, you'll get a free gift. Buy one, get one free. It is a BOGO one, that if you buy one shirt, you'll get another shirt free. Then we have, you can enter a discount code or voucher and you'll get a gift. You can spend above a cart value and get gift, and buy from a collection, get gift. So you can create your own offer by clicking on create offer. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to this page where you could activate 7-day free trial. So here you can see that 0 to 500 store orders per month, you'll have to pay $30 price. 501 and 1,000, you'll have to pay $80. And then we have 1,001 till 3,000, you'll have to pay $170. Then we have above that, and you can just see that over here. And then there are some common questions. If you have some questions, you can just give them a read over here. So you're gonna click on activate free trial. So you're gonna make sure that app is lifetime free for development, developer preview, and sandbox stores. So you're gonna click on activate free trial. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to another interface. It would say you will not be billed for this test charge. So what you're going to do is simply click on approve, and you're going to first select your credit card and then click on approve. And once you do so, you'll be taken over to another interface. So over here, you'll have to customize your dashboard. So here you can see that 1x3 is completed. Now you're going to set your first offer funnel. So you're going to click on browse offers. And here you can simply cross this, and then you gotta select your offer overview. For us, we're gonna select gifts and shipping, and then you're gonna click on create offer. And here you're gonna choose a reward type, whether you want free shipping, gift auto add, gift selection, order level discount, or custom rewards. So I'm gonna add gift auto add because that is what we're doing today. You gotta click on next, and then you gotta give your offer name. For example, I'm gonna give it name something like spring offer. And after that, you're going to click on next. So once you click on next, you'll be taken over to another interface. You'll have 3 steps. One is set rule and location, product and display, text and display. So here you're going to set a rule that you get the offer will be shown only if you buy a specific product. Like I'm going to select specific product, and if it equals or it contains any. And you're going to select a product such as, I'm going to select the product such as shirt or something. So you can simply choose that, okay? And then you're going to click on next. And once you do so, you're going to do the product and display one. So choose method to show milestone, whether you want to give the gift based on cart value or item count. So I'm going to select cart value or item count. I'm going to select item count. So for example, I'm going to select 1 over here. Like if a person buys 1 shirt, so they'll get an auto gift. And then you can add a reward over here. So if you have rewards in your inventory, you can simply add them over here. And once done, you're going to click on next. So once done, you're going to select, okay, let me just simply add a gift over here, or you can simply, let's just do free shipping. Okay, then click on next. After that, you'll have to select text and display, like what kind of text will be displayed in front of the person when they reach a specific milestone. And for example, we're going to add tiles over here, and you're going to click on save and activate. And that's it. That is basically how you can add auto gift option within Shopify. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.